salute the flag.
जनगणमनयधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल चल सितरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Parade, do down your hand. Parade, take slogan position. Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki. 15 August, 15 August, 15 August, Birsa Munda, Birsa Munda, Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Buddhu Bhagat, Buddhu Bhagat, one day, one day, one day. जय जवान का नारा है, जय जवान का नारा है, जय जवान का नारा है, जय जवान, जय जवान, जय जवान. बाबा साहेब, बाबा साहेब. Parade, do down your hand. Parade, stand at ease. Parade, attention. Parade, stand at ease.
Mr. Sanjeev Bhagat sir, so please come on ahead side and tell something about 15 August. So give a big hand for Mr. Sir. Now he will come you and I hope you will listen properly.
First of all, good morning all of you, and congratulations this day.
Thank you.
Children, one thing, now so many points we will discuss, but one important thing, this day why we celebrating, this is an important point, because now Priyanshu said to you, independence. What is the independence? How do we got that thing? And now how do we feeling and how do we living? This is an important point. So this date, 15 August 1997, one thing I am telling to you, we every year celebrating because fully we got our country as a India, as a Bharat, because long time from Britishers are using this country, using here all kinds of works they take up their hand, and we were only working for them, and factories etc., agriculture etc., all things they are here from so many kinds of mineral etc., here from taking they are, and we are only looking. What I am telling to you, this date from now we are free here side, and we are totally freedom feeling we can say something, we can do anything because this is our own country. So children, we'll discuss this thing point by point, but now I'm not telling to you so long because atmosphere also giving nice sunshine for us. You will stand so long time this kind of sunshine, then problem will be. So I'm saying to you children, will not say to stand like that. You will come front and you will sit properly because some program also will be. Had have sunshine hardly will come, then disturb will be. So one thing I'm saying to you, teachers also, whatever topics etc. you will do distribute now because here set some programs. Children will tell to you about the 15th August. Now Priyanshu told and some person more will discuss these things. Children are able to tell all things. So I'm not telling so many things, but one thing I'm saying to you, children, come front and sit properly here side now. Come front. And here here so near not your line from because we are free now. So I'll not tell so more. So hot sun shining. Now let's watch the program etc. I'm telling only this kinds of thing. And once more I'm giving congratulations for this day and more we should say again and again this kinds of time will come and we'll repeat this day again and again. I hope and I'm giving once more congratulations. At last, thank you children.
Give a big hand once again for our big sir.
And now I would like to call from our respected directors and teachers and all my dear friends. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, teacher. Myself Sonam Rao, standard of 6. My village Simaghas Kavri and district Latehar. Last time. Respected our director sir, principal sir and here present, my dear student and teacher and here present, parents, good morning to everyone. Good morning, teacher. My name is Ankita Oram from Makra, my district Lower Dagga, and I study in class 9. And now we are going to sing this Bhakti song. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram. उड़ती तिरंगा झंडा देश के निशान हरे देश के निशान. उड़ती तिरंगा झंडा देश के निशान हरे देश के निशान. देश की आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़े जवान. देश की आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़े जवान. उड़ते तिरंगा झंडा देश के निशान हरे देश के निशान. उड़ती तिरंगा झंडा देश के निशान हरे देश के निशान. देश की आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़ले जवान. देश की आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़ले जवान. उपरे केसरिया रंग सच्च के निशान हरे सच्च के निशान. उपरे केसरिया रंग सच्च के निशान हरे सच्च के निशान. देश की आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़ले जवान. देश की आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़ले जवान. बीच में सफेद रंग त्याग के निशान हरे त्याग के निशान. बीच में सफेद रंग त्याग के निशान हरे त्याग के निशान. देश के आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जखान लड़ले जवान. देश के आजाद लड़ले जवान उड़ती तिरंगा झंडा देश के निशान है रे देश के निशान उड़ती तिरंगा झंडा देश के निशान है रे देश के निशान देश के आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जकर लड़ले जवान देश के आजाद में जो भेले बलिदान जकर लड़ले जवान जय भारत अतुल थैंक यू जय हिंद Give a big hand for Mr. Now I would like to call from
First of all, I would like to great opportunity and good morning to respected director sir, teachers and parents and all my dear friends. Good morning to all everyone. Myself Priyanshu Rao, standard of 8, belong to Gumla Karamtoli and today I am front of you to speak about Independence Day. We have gathered to celebrate here India's 79th Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day in 15 August every year. Independence Day reminds us sacrifices made by many freedom fighters such as Buddhu Bhagat, Mahatma Gandhi, Baba Saheb, Rohia Junia, Haldar Gildar and many others who dedicated for nation's freedom. Freedom was not easily, it was so difficult and our freedom fighter they hidden themselves on forest, river with the dangerous animals, wild animals and gave us freedom. So we must make us a good citizen and be in free democracy. Independence just mean not being from foreign rule. It's also taking responsibility for our action and contributing the progress to our country. As a student, we can serve our country by studying sincerely, respecting others, promoting unity, protecting environment. India is a land of diversity where people live different religion, culture, language. It is a strength of India. On this special day, let us promise to be honest, disciplined, kind, and whole citizen dedicate for nation's development. And the speech of I wish you all happy Independence Day. And I request you all, Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai Dharam, Jai Sarna, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. At last, thank you. Johar.
Give a round of clapping for Mr. Priyanshu brother. Respected director sir, principal, teachers and parents and all my dear brothers and sisters, a warm good morning to everyone. Myself Ellen Rao from Standard 9. Today we assembled here to celebrate 79th Independence Day. Every year on 15th August we celebrate our Independence Day. At first, British came India for trade, spices, indigo, minerals and many more. First they gone to ask permission with Mughal Empire, but they not given permission for British to trade in India. After they gone to ask permission with Marathis and after they gave permission for trade. But slowly they started to rule all over India. Because our was spices, indigo and minerals were
popular in national market. That's why. And British company name was East India Company, which was an European company. At the night of 14th August 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to speak a maiden speech. When whole world sleeps, India wake up for life and freedom. Yes, India become free from British rule. And many great leaders sacrifices their life for our this freedom. Some famous examples: Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Birsa Munda, Bhagat Singh, and many men and women sacrificed their life for our this freedom. So, we should play a major role in our citizen life. Like we should follow constitution and keep our India clean and green. As a student, our responsibility is properly read, write, and respect our elders. And follow constitution. And last thanks to all.
Teacher, my dear parents and here present, my sister and brother, good morning to everyone. Now I'm going to sing song Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram. मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, सदियों से आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, सदियों से आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महके और ना कहीं, मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महके और ना कहीं, मेरे खून का कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, मेरे खून का कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महके और ना कहीं, मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महके और ना कहीं, मेरे खून का कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, मेरे खून का कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। पहुँचूँ जहाँ भी मैं मेरी पहचान रहेगा, पहुँचूँ जहाँ भी मैं मेरी पहचान रहेगा। मेरे देश का तिरंगा मेरा शान रहेगा, मेरे देश का तिरंगा मेरा शान रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, मेरे देश का तिरंगा मेरा शान रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। मिट्टी में जो इसकी महके और ना कहीं, मिट्टी में जो इसकी महके और ना कहीं, मेरा खून का कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, मेरे खून का कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत, लास्ट थैंक यू। गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। Myself, Kavita Bhagat. I read in class 6. Now I am going to sing a song. जय धर्म में, जय धर्म में, जय धर्म में। ये दिल ये हमारी जान, वतन के लिए है कुर्बान। हमारा है भारत महान, जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। कसम से जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। ये दिल ये हमारी जान, वतन के लिए है कुर्बान। हमारा है भारत महान, जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। कसम से जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम
हम वतन के लिए। स्वर्ग जैसा प्यारा मुल्क है हमारा, चाहे देख आओ ये जहाँ सारा। हिंदू हो या मुस्लिम, सिख हो या ईसाई, साथ में रहते हम भाई भाई। मोहब्बत भरा ये संसार, चले देखे दुनिया जहां। हमारा है भारत महान, जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। कसम से जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। वीरों का है धरती, इनका है खजाना, दुश्मनों से है अपना देश को बचाना। प्यारा ये तिरंगा वीरों का निशानी, इसमें है लुटाई सबने है जवानी। शहीदों को मेरा सलाम, ना भूलेंगे हम इनका नाम। हमारा है भारत महान, जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। कसम से जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। ये दिल ये हमारी जान, वतन के लिए है कुर्बान। हमारा है भारत महान, जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। कसम से जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। कसम से जीते हम वतन के लिए, मरते हम वतन के लिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
My name Priyanshu Rao, standard of 8 from Gumlakaram Toli, and now I will sing a song, Deshbhakti song. Jai Dharam, Jai Dharam, Jai Dharam. महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत में जन्म ले, महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत नो जन्म ले। भारत के कर ले आजाद, हाय रे भारत कर ले आजाद। महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत नो जन्म ले, महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत नो जन्म ले। भारत के कर ले आजाद, हाय रे भारत के कर ले आजाद। अरे बड़े बड़े सिपाही जूता चप्पल पीने, बड़े बड़े सिपाही जूता चप्पल पींद। गांधी बाबा घर पर चप्पल पींद हो, गांधी बाबा घर पर चप्पल पींद। बड़े बड़े सिपाही जूता चप्पल पींद, बड़े बड़े सिपाही जूता चप्पल पींद। गांधी बाबा घर पर चप्पल पींद, गांधी बाबा घर पर चप्पल पींद। महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत में जन्म ले, महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत में जन्म ले। भारत के कर ले आजाद, हाय हो भारत के कर ले आजाद। बड़े बड़े सिपाही बांध तिलाड़े, बड़े बड़े सिपाही बांध तिलाड़े। गांधी बाबा कानून तिला, अरे हो गांधी बाबा कानून तुलाड़े। बड़े बड़े सिपाही बांध तिला, बड़े बड़े सिपाही बांध तिलाड़े। गांधी बाबा कानून तिला, अरे हो गांधी बाबा कानून तिलाड़े। महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत नो जन्म ले, महात्मा गांधी बाबा भारत नो जन्म ले। भारत के कर ले आजाद, हाय हो भारत के कर ले आजाद। जय धर्म जोहार।
Sir, ma'am, and the principal sir, and here present all my brother and sister and teachers, and all came the parents. Good morning to everyone. Myself Astha guys. I read in standard 6. I belong to Hiri district, Lohardaga. First, on the beginning, I want to wish you a happy Independence Day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day, and I will tell you about the Independence Day. You know that why we celebrate the Independence Day? Because in this day our India, what is the India? India is one country where we live. That the India we get the freedom from the British rule. The British were ruling in our country. First, Vasco da Gama, who discovered the India, means he discovered with the ship route. He came with ship route in sea searching that, and he came first on the Kozhikode, Kerala, and he looked at India have many spices, etc., many minerals, very nice things. So he came from the Europe, and he started to rule first, and the all European person came in the here on the India, and they started to rule in India. And means who was the Indian peoples, they also thought is that if it is the our minerals, spices, more anything, but why they are taking profit for us? Means this is mine, but taking profit they are. So they thought we should have to fight with them. In that time, you know, very great freedom fighter was who fought for this opportunity. Now we have now free, so any person don't rule in our country. On that time they was ruling, so the peoples of India, they thought to fight with the others who was ruling the country. So you know that great freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Birsa Munda, Haldar Gilthai, many persons was who fought and give this free for India. So we celebrating the Independence Day, and they when fought with them, they gone. At last they means they was ruling. Then they thought the British person thought we should leave this country. So then gone. At last they thought we should go now. So in 14 August. In midnight, there was all country person was sleeping, and the India was very happy. If you will rule any person, then you will feel bad, and they will go themselves, then you will feel nice. So they was feeling very nice Indian people. At last, if they were sleeping, then they was feeling very nice. After that, in the night, 14 August, the British person thought that if we will leave this country and we will go, then who will rule this? So that they made the president, first president and prime minister. You know, the first prime minister is P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, and the second, the president of India was the first, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. After the morning of 15 August, everyone started to make this festival. That festival name is Independence Day, and on Independence Day in Happily they started to make one, means they started to host the flag. You know the colors of the flag. There are 3 colors in the Indian flag. First is the saffron, after the white, and in the mid of the flag there is the Ashoka Chakra, which is the symbol of our India, and in the last there is a green. So we every year celebrate in this flag. So I want to end my speech. At last I want to once more wish you a happy Independence Day. At last, thank you to everyone.
Respected Director Sir, Director Miss and Principal Sir and teacher and all my dear friends and parents, good morning to all. Myself Sarika Bhagat, I am belong to the Agardi. I read in class 7th, my district Lohardaga. Now I am going to tell a speech about 15 August. Today I am happy to speak about few words on 15 August. We celebrate 15 August every year. On 1947, India became free from British rule. On this day, many freedom fighters sacrificed their life for our country. And like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Bir Buddha Bhagat and Rani Lakshmibai, their gifts we are free today. As students have many responsibilities. We should always be honest and kindness, be disciplined, and we should respect our country. We will show our love for our country by studying well, respecting others, and helping everyone.
हम लिख
And India is the largest democratic country in the world.
92
And in the past,
34
there was many
21
here. We was living in tribal, but that time was came here
हाँ सर
British. They was ruling us, and they was saying to do work. We was not doing work, then they was beating with belt. And we doing agriculture, that also they was taking. And they taking to do work, and they not giving for eat anything. That time our
लिखा
freedom fighter, they decided for fight with British. After they fight with British, after British was lived and gone on 15 August 1947. At last, thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Director sir, principal sir, and parents, all my dear friends, good morning to everyone. My name is Ayasura. My village, Kutumu, my district, Lord Dagga. Now I am going to sing a song, Das Bhakti song. माई तेरे लिए मर मिटेंगे, हम बेटे ना पीछे हटेंगे। जब तुझ मियाँ सियाए हमें तू पुकार लेना, अमीराल का बहाना हमें बार बार देना। ये जो जानवान है तेरे सामने क्या है, कोई सूरवीर ही प्राण देता है। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथों पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती रहे तेरी प्राण आए, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। माए चलती रहे तेरी, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। At last, thank you. And our director sir, principal sir, all present, the teachers and all the came, the parents and my brother and sister. Good morning to everyone. Myself Astatika, I study in class of 6. I belong to Hiri district of Lord Dagga. Now we are going to sing an English Deshbhakti song. Founder, director, respected principal, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. Good morning to all. Myself Neha Rao, I study in class 4. My village Rambadhar, district Latehar. Now we are going to sing a song. I love my land, my home so wide, with hills and rivers far and wide. I plant a seed, I lend a hand, I care for every grain of sand. I will study my land, I will do what's right, with honest heart and future bright. I will stand for peace, I will stand for truth, in India's light as proud young youth. I follow rules, I speak with faith, and speak some joy in every place. I help the weak, I keep it clean. This is my India, strong and green. I will stand my land, I will do what's right, with honest heart and future bright. I will stand for peace, I will stand for truth, in India's light as proud young youth. I will stand my land, I will do what's right, with honest heart and future bright. I will stand for peace, I will stand for truth, in India's light as proud young youth. At last, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Principal, teacher and parents and all my dear friends, good morning to all. Now I am going to tell about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day Day on 15 August. Every year, on this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. We remember and respect our brave freedom fighters like Veer Buddhu Bhagat, Birsa Munda, Bhagat Singh. From their great sacrifice, we should love our country and be responsible citizens. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Dear Project Inspector, Principal Sir, Director Sir, and parents, and all my dear friends, once more good morning. Myself Nilesh Rao, Standard 7. Now I'd like to tell you about Independence Day. Today is 15 August. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. It is a very important day for all of us. We got independence on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. It is a greatest festival of democracy. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to got freedom for India. On this day, we remember our brave fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi, and many others. We should always respect our elders. And Independence Day teaches us power of unity. And I am proud to be an Indian. And I love my country very much. At last, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I would like to call from Mr. Side, Miss Ansu Sister for sing a song. So please try to come ahead. Give a big hand for Ansu Sister.
My teachers and brothers, good morning to everyone. Myself Ansu, class of 8, Zipur district, Ranchi.
Good morning everyone. Myself is Nidhi Rao. My village Kairab Rajpur district, Lohardaga. Now I'm going to sing a song, Deshbhakti song. तेरा हिमालय आकाश चूले बहती रहे तेरी गंगा ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो तारों का चूले तिरंगा माथे है माटी माथे है माथा माथे पे माटी सजा के चले माही चलती रहे बेखाब हवाएं लहरा के जो में तिरंगा आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तो तारों को छूले तिरंगा माथे है माटी माथे है माथा माथे पे माटी सजा के चले माही चल